To set up a Monday.com ad column, you need to start by logging into your Monday.com account and navigating to the board where you want to add a new column. Once you are on the board, click on the plus sign located at the top right corner of the screen. This will open a menu with various column options to choose from, such as text, number, date, and more. Choose the type of column you want to add based on the data you want to track. For example, if you want to track the status of a task, choose the status column. If you want to track the deadline of a task, choose the date column. After selecting the column type, enter a name for the column in the name field. This will help you identify the column and its purpose on your board. You can also add a description to provide more context about the column. Next, you can customize the column settings based on your needs. For example, you can choose to make the column mandatory or add specific options to a drop-down menu. You can also set a default value for the column. Once you have configured the column settings, click on the Add Column button to add the column to your board. The new column will be added to the right side of your board and you can start using it to track your data. It is also important to organize your columns in a logical order to make it easy to view and track your data. You can drag and drop columns to rearrange them on your board. Best practice is to group related columns together and place the most important columns at the beginning of the board. By following these steps, you can easily set up a new column on Monday.com and start tracking your data in a more efficient and organized way. Remember to keep your columns concise and relevant to the data you are tracking to get the most out of your Monday.com board.